Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and having the best time of your life. And friends, today I'll be sharing my experience with the Pfizer vaccination which I'm going to get right now. So I'll take you into the store and how it is done. I'll give you an insight of it. So let's see what is going to happen and how well I tolerate the Pfizer vaccination. Actually, it is Pfizer. I don't know why I said Pfizer. It's Pfizer. So let's go and we'll get our vaccination. Yay! So here I am at the pharmacy where I'm getting my Pfizer vaccination. I'm at the parking lot and I've come to CVS pharmacy, which is open 24 hours. So I'll be giving you the insight and update about how my first vaccination went today. I'll be making two videos. Today is my first vaccination. I'll do today part 1 and in the second one I'll mention that it is a second one and how I felt. I'll give you a true opinion about Pfizer vaccination. So we have come to our CVS pharmacy. So let's go inside. So here they have made a 6 feet distance. Stay here to be 6 feet apart. So I really liked it that they are following social distancing here. So I'm all ready to go and get the vaccine. So let's come with me.
Try and relax your arm as much as you can. Easier said than done sometimes, but we'll let that dry for a moment. And then when we get done in here, we'll have you wait just out in the waiting room there for observation, make sure that everything's okay for 15 minutes. Mike's out there in a red shirt, he'll direct you to a chair, and then there's one final form that we just need a signature on. And after that 15 minutes, you're good to go. Alright? Alright, you want to just get it over with? Alright. So just get a small poke. That's it, this is just a cotton ball. Doing alright? Leave it there for a few more seconds, we'll take a look and see. There's no spot at all. I can get you a Band-Aid if you want one. Did you want a Band-Aid? Okay. Alright, you're all set.
So my appointment is all done. 15 minutes they checked me. Everything went fine, so all good. So your chai is made and I'm just toasting a slice of bread for my breakfast, and here is our breakfast. So here's my chai. Today I feel like drinking it in a steel glass bowl which I had bought from India. So I love this, and a toasted bread. Friends, I learnt a new way how to make Maggi. I was doing some trial and error, and always the Maggi would always be so sticky and watery and juicy and all. So I didn't like that soupy Maggi at all. So this is the new trick which I tried, and the Maggi tasted so good, so awesome, and it was like, can I have some more? Can I have some more? It was that kind of a day. So tried this out and hope you all make this way, and it tastes 100 times better and less spices go in it, and it's the tastiest one which anybody will like this. So this is a new innovative type of making Maggi. So try it, serve it, like it, and eat it, friends, and serve it with your friends and family. Everybody will like this Maggi version. So here I'm boiling the water in my kettle so that the water stays hot. So here I'm randomly pouring 2 or 3 spoons of oil. So here I'm just taking one small medium size onion and I'm cutting it randomly. So I'm adding some peas and carrots also. These are frozen veggies. So I'm just pouring it in and just cook. I'm adding some black pepper, a very little salt. So now I'm adding some parsley. This will give some Italian flavor. So now I have some pizza seasoning which I'll be adding over here. So now I'm adding some oregano, and over here I'm adding some Italian seasoning which says basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary. marjoram and garlic. And this depends on you how much spice level you want. This is optional. If you want it, you can add it. Others no. I'm just adding some paprika, red powder, chili powder. So here I've taken 2 spoons of ketchup. It will give a very good tangy flavor. So here's my kettle hot water. It's very boiling hot water. I have boiled it very well. And in this we'll soak Maggi packets now. So here I've taken 5 Maggi packets, the small ones. So just soak them till they get soaked well in this hot water. So just soak them and let them get immersed well. You can even cut them. See, because of the hot water they are getting cut so easily. So I've soaked it more and well. And I took hot water for this. You have to just soak it for 2 or 3 minutes. So here I'm just draining all the excess water. And only the Maggi will be left out and all the water will get strained out. So this comes with the packet of Maggi, the taste maker. Whether you're taking top ramen or anything, there's always a taste maker inside. Just because you have added the extra spices, we'll only put 1. And we'll sprinkle on it and mix whatever the mixture we have done it of here. So we'll mix this into that. So we are adding all this and we'll mix it up well. So now we'll just give it a good stir and a good mix. And then it's all ready and it will taste delicious because there's not a drop of extra water which we need. And I don't like the soup of it much. Then it's like drinking too much of salt and sodium. So here's the fresh noodles, no soupy, all wonderful. Everybody gets the veggies. Enjoy. Enjoy the first bite. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my second day and I've got my shot yesterday and looks like I can move my hand all rightly. So just wanted to give you an update after a day how I feel. So I feel fine and I only have a little sore of my hand where I got the injection, the vaccine actually. So it's almost like I'm feeling good and no side effects. And yesterday after 15 minutes they made me sit over there and everything was good. Then the only thing to take care is to just drink lots of water and go and stay hydrated. That's what I did. And I forgot to take my water bottle, otherwise I would have drank some water after I was sitting over there. So I didn't drink water when I was over there. And everything was okay. There was 6 feet distance and they checked my temperature when that man was checking. The pharmacist checked from my bag because I had the shield and all covered my face and I could not talk. That's why I was nodding my head so much that he understood what he understood it looks like. So everything went well. So I took the Pfizer one and whatever they have is they don't give you a choice whether you need Moderna, whether you need Pfizer or whether you need J&J. That's Johnson & Johnson. So it was all good and today is my second day and it's almost 1 day over and I can do everything. I could take a shower, I could do cooking, I could do everything like. So nothing, I could lift up even the rice bag or whatever I wanted to lift up. So I could lift up that also. So it went well and I'll wait for my second dose also. And I'll write it in my second video that this was my second dose and second video. So for now everything is all right and all my friends got their second shot only. I don't know why I delayed it a lot because I was looking for a nearby location and this location was really good one. And now I'm thinking my daughter also will get one before she enters her college and so let's see how things go and I hope this coronavirus will end as soon as possible and we all will be happy and traveling again. So that's what we can hope for. And I hope you like this little video and you liked my Maggi noodles which I made. It was a different type but children wanted to eat. Then I said okay, I'll teach you all how to make Maggie without not having that stickiness and lots of liquid in it. So I hope you all like it, and everything is all right. And go ahead, go take your vaccination. Be safe out there. Still wear your mask. And this was my experience which I shared, and I hope you all like it. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please follow me there also. I'm on TikTok. Follow me there also. And if you have liked it, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And share this video with everyone whom you know, with your neighbors, with your friends, with your uncles, aunties, mom and dad, and your brothers and sisters. It's such an good information which I'm giving you over here. This is how it went in the US. I don't know what are the rules and regulation of India, because I have no much idea, and which vaccination they are giving in India, I have no idea. So I hope you all stay safe, and keep liking my videos, keep watching my videos, and share these videos. Till next time, have a nice time. Bye. Love you all. Thanks for watching.